Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading, and I wanted to give you a quick setup that I see here in Etsy, because Etsy does have all the moving averages on your side. We are above the 200, we're above the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy, and we are still within this larger swing here. That is one of the things I like about it. We have not met that target yet at 278.53. So I am looking for some pullbacks here within this current swing. So the levels of risk that I have for you are 211.71 to 214.44. 206.15 to 208.57, and 195.53 to 202.85, and then I have that last point of symmetry, which is a setup by itself at 191.97. Now I do want you to be sure to wait for triggers to see which setup zone could possibly hold. But I do like Etsy because we are going into the holiday season, and if you are like me, you like to support small business and those who are trying to make a little bit of cash on the side there. So give Etsy a look here. And like I said earlier, wait for triggers. If you want to use, if this low from, I'm assuming that's from Monday. Yeah, from Monday is in place, you can use that smaller target of 232.96, but you do have this larger time frame target of 278.53 if you would like to use it, and that is probably the one that I will be looking at. All right, everybody, I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me